There is official release date for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and rumors suggest it will launch in late 2025 or 2026. Some leaks indicate the device has entered mass production and may arrive by the end of 2025, while others point to a 2026 release based on the 3-year gap between the Pocket 2 and Pocket 3 likely release window, late 2025 or 2026, based on previous release patterns and recent leaks. Reasons for the uncertainty. There have been no official announcements or FCC filings yet. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 features a dual camera setup, likely a main 50MP sensor and a second lens for zoom or depth, Hasselblad color tuning, enhanced low-light performance, and native vertical video recording. It is expected to offer 4,120 FPS video, 10-bit and D-Log M color options, a magnetic quick-release system, and a new 2-button control design. It also includes a larger touchscreen and a long-lasting battery, with potential for 8K recording and enhanced AI features. Native vertical video can record video in a vertical format without needing to rotate the camera or crop the image. Longer battery life features a new, longer-lasting battery with fast charging capabilities. Advanced AI will likely incorporate AI-assisted processing for features like advanced subject tracking and smart editing modes. Waterproof features a waterproof design for use in various conditions. Stereo microphones. Built-in microphones with noise reduction and directional audio for clear sound. The Osmo Pocket is a small camera that has great stabilization, image quality, and rich set of features. It can film in an impressive 4K 60 FPS. My Mavic 2 Pro can't do that. 108p12f's My Mavic 2 Pro can do that though, and has really useful moving time-lapse features, tracking, and advanced video features. Osmo Action Extreme Battery 1770 mAh supports up to 160 minutes of battery life for DJI Osmo Action 3. Osmo Action for sport camera, vlogging, and content creation. Because of its compact size and built-in gimbal, it's ideal for solo creators walking around, talking to camera, moving through space. Features like subject tracking, for example, face or body tracking, help when you're filming yourself and need the camera to keep you in frame. Great for social media formats. You can shoot in 16:9, 9:16 vertical, etc., making it flexible for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, to travel and on-the-go filming. Its pocketable size means you can carry it easily compared to full-sized cameras. Useful for capturing moments while walking, exploring, or doing casual filming. Because of the gimbal stabilization, your footage will look smoother than typical handheld smartphone video. 3. Cinematic, creative video work. With high-quality sensors rumored for the Pocket 4 and high frame rate options, for example, 4K at high FPS, you can do slow motion, creative movements, dynamic shots. The 3-axis gimbal allows fluid camera movements, pans, tilts, sweeping motions, tracking shots.